Now, Bellarmine Chatunga Mugabe, the son of former Zimbabwean President Robert Mugabe, has returned to the Alexandra Magistrate Court in South Africa. Mugabe and his co-accused, Tobias Mugabe Matonhodze, are expected to apply for bail. The pair face charges of attempted murder and defeating the ends of justice. They were arrested after a gardener was shot and injured at Mugabe's upscale Hyde Park residence. Police say the firearm used in the incident has not yet been recovered, although bullet cartridges were found at the scene. Now, our correspondent Mongani Ziziba is at the court, and I'll hand over to her to give us the latest. Mongani, over to you.
A very good afternoon to you and our viewers. I'm standing outside the Alexandra Magistrate Court where Bellarmine Chatunga Mugabe, son of Zimbabwe's former president, that is Robert Mugabe, did return today accompanied by his co-accused, that is Tobias Mugabe Matonhodze. They just appeared briefly, and the matter has been stood down for the 5th of March to apply for bail, with his lawyer Alexandra saying that it's because of the missing documents and some disclosure from the state prosecutor. Let's take a listen to what he had to say.
There are quite a number of challenges today with regards to the proceedings. Firstly, there was a technical failure with the electricity. We weren't able to proceed, but be that as it may, yes, you are correct. There are still some documents that the prosecution needs to provide us with before we proceed with the bail application on our client's behalf.
The two faces charges of attempted murder and defeating the ends of justice following the incident at Mugabe's upscale property in Hyde Park, Johannesburg. The case arose after a gardener was shot and injured at this property, and we understand that he is still in hospital fighting for his life. So the police investigations are still ongoing, and while they haven't located the actual firearm used in shooting, they recovered bullet cartridges on the premises on the day of the incident. And in his first appearance, his lawyer Alexandra told the media that the state prosecutors had questions about their client's legal status in South Africa. And during previous interviews, his attorney indicated that authorities also need to still verify whether both the accused are legal in the country. And if somehow it's found that they are not illegal, it could impact their chances of being granted bail. So the court proceedings will proceed here on the 5th, with the state prosecutors and the defense presenting their arguments. The case has also attracted significant media attention, given the Mugabe's high-profile background and also the serious nature of the charges. So we continue to monitor this story closely, as we'll come back this Thursday here at the Magistrate. But for now, it's back to you in the studio.